Hello everyone, this is Fred, your friendly neighborhood realtor. I'm here today to give you the market mortgage update for August 14th, 2024. All right, the good news for the buyers is right now is the rates are still continuing to come down. We had some economic news today saying that the inflation worries have been eased up a little bit. So that's kind of putting some pressure on the rates to start coming down. Now, I'm looking for maybe tomorrow to be a little bit better. We'll wait and see if I'm correct on that. But right now, let's go into the numbers. Let's look at it. The 30-year fixed, 6.1%. Basically $606 per $100,000 loan value. Now, all the time I do these updates, I talk about two programs that I like a lot, if you can at all do it, and that's the 15 and the 20-year fixed. The 15 is the best. The 20-year, if you can't really do that, but you can maybe squeak out the 20-year, I really encourage that. The 20-year right now is sitting at 5.78% or $704 per $100,000 loan value. So basically you're looking at $98 additional per month per $100,000. Not a huge number, but if you can do it, I would encourage, and I'll reiterate my reasoning here in a moment. The 15-year fix is 5.32%, $808 per $100,000 loan value. So it's a little over $200 more per $100,000 for that one compared to the 30-year fixed. And the reason, just in case this is the first time watching the videos, that I like these programs is because it gives you equity in your home quicker, and additionally it saves you on your mortgage cost over the life of the loan because you're having to pay less time frame. So if you can do it, I really encourage you to look at this 15 and the 20-year programs. Now, the next one that we want to look at, the best rate that's out there, is the FHA. Now, keep in mind, the FHA, you can get in for 3.5% down if you got a good credit score. And right now, you're looking at 4.96% or $534 per $100,000 loan value. Now, that's been holding right in there here for the last few days. So I don't know if there's going to be some more pressure to put that one down a little bit too quickly, but we'll wait and see. I would like to see with some easing of the other ones that kind of comes down a little bit there. Now, all the rate programs that I've talked about up until now do have one caveat that you need to keep in mind, and that is if you don't do 20% down, you're going to have some sort of a mortgage insurance premium. And you can either pay it up front or you can pay it every month. The choice will kind of be yours. But when you're trying to figure out, hey, what can I afford type thing, keep in mind that mortgage insurance premium is going to cost you a little bit more. Now, if you are a veteran or a current service member and you've been in long enough to where you can receive the eligibility for the VA loan, the Veterans Administration loan, it is guaranteed by the government, a certain percentage of it. So what that means is you can do a zero down, and that's going to be a nice little feature. That's going to be 5.46% or $565 per $100,000 loan value. So that's going to be a nice little feature that you can do. If you want to do it, if you're a veteran, get that eligibility letter for when, or plan on getting it as soon as you can if you wanted to potentially do a VA loan, because you can get in for zero down, and obviously it's not required for a mortgage insurance. Now, there is talk more and more that in September they're going to lower the rates. How much? It's unknown right now. The other thing is rates. Keep in mind, look at the way everything is going for world events. Because count on this, there's a lot of tension in the Middle East. If more conflict breaks out in the Middle East, especially in relationship to Iran and Israel, then look potentially for fuel prices to go up. If they go up, it's going to be a kicker for inflation. So that's going to put more pressure on the government as far as to what they're going to do, because they want to kind of keep the inflation numbers down. So keep an eye on what's going on there. But if you're interested in buying, my suggestion is this: get yourself a mortgage person, get yourself pre-qualified, and get your rate locked in. If it goes lower, you're going to be good. You'll be good to go. If it goes higher, you're protected. And that's the thing you want to look at. So if you're in the Orlando area and you're looking to buy or sell, we'll be glad to help you out. Buyers will do a market analysis for you, let you know exactly what your home can get on the market and approximately how long it's going to take to sell. If you're looking to buy, we will work with you. Now, starting on the 17th, just a few days from now, you're going to want that person working with you as a buyer's agent. And there's going to be a lot that's going to be involved with that. It's nothing to be concerned about. Now, anytime you're working with an agent and you are a buyer, they're going to say they need an agreement with you. This one, yes, does lock you into that agent, so you want to be careful who you sign that agreement with. But at the same time, as that buyer's agent is working for your best interest. Now, if anybody goes out there and says they're an agent and I will show you a home without a buyer's agreement, they are potentially in violation of the law, and that's not really an agent you want. So you want one that's going to be honest out there, because that's going to mean they're going to be honest with you and they're going to be treating everything rightfully. So my encouragement is be careful when you sign. We will work with buyer's agents. We will work as a buyer's agent. We have no problem doing so, and we want you comfortable in that process. Our job is to help you, whether you're buying or selling. And as a buyer's agent, we represent you. Now, if we're listing your home, we are working for you. We work in your best interest. So, and that's the way the market's going right now. So if you have any questions about that or comments, make sure you throw them in the comments section below. If you need to contact us directly, our contact information will be in the description below as well. And while you're down there, make sure you click that like button and to subscribe and the bell notification, so as we produce new videos, and we do try to give you content that is going to be pertaining to the real estate market every couple days. So we have another video that we're working on right now, should be out here real soon as well. So any questions, let us know. Comments, make sure you place them in the comment section down below. Thank you and have a good day.